Good day, everyone. Thank you for joining us on another episode of Health is Wealth. Today, we're talking about something that can literally save your life, which is preventive care. What is it? Why does it matter? And what happens if we ignore it? Let's explore. Preventive care can literally save your life. It's not just about treating illnesses, but stopping them before they start. Curious about how this works? Let's dive into the world of preventive care. Preventive care includes regular checkups, vaccinations, and screenings. It's about taking action before sickness strikes. Understanding this can change how you approach your health. What is preventive care? Early detection of diseases like cancer and diabetes can save lives. Screenings catch issues before symptoms appear, making treatment simpler and more effective. Benefit of preventive care. Preventive care lowers healthcare costs by addressing issues early. It also improves quality of life, promoting healthy habits and protecting public health through vaccinations. What happens when we ignore preventive care? Ignoring preventive care increases the risk of serious illnesses. Conditions like hypertension can progress silently, leading to higher medical costs and reduced life expectancy. Late-stage treatments strain healthcare systems and miss early intervention opportunities. Early detection often means simpler treatments and fewer complications. Preventive care is a proactive investment in your health. Regular screenings, vaccines, and healthy habits improve outcomes and extend life expectancy. Are you investing in your health? Start today. Schedule checkups, get vaccinated, and embrace healthy habits. Prevention is about living better and longer. If you would like to get more health insight like this, like, share, and subscribe to HealthTube for more health insights. Thank you.